Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the northern Windsor County in southern Vermont, southwestern Caledonia County in northeast Vermont, Orange County in central Vermont, southern Washington County in central Vermont, southeastern Essex County in northern New York, southern Addison County in central Vermont, northern Rutland County in southern